Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Ford Fusion key fob battery. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. This key is essential for the next step. Now, look for a small slot where the key blade was housed. Carefully insert a small flathead screwdriver into this slot to begin prying open the fob casing. Once the screwdriver is in the slot, gently twist it to pry open the key fob casing. You should hear a slight click as the two halves begin to separate. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the plastic. Carefully separate the two halves of the fob. Inside, you will see the circuit board and the battery. Before removing the old battery, pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side faces up. Now, carefully remove the old battery. Most Ford Fusion key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This is crucial for proper function. Once the new battery is in place, align the two halves of the key fob. Gently press them together until you hear a click, indicating it's securely shut. After reassembling your key fob, it's important to test its functionality right away. Try locking and unlocking your car and ensure the trunk release and panic buttons work as expected. This confirms the new battery is installed correctly and the fob is communicating with your vehicle. If you're looking for ways to improve your financial outlook, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. It could be a game changer for your personal finances, offering valuable insights and practical advice.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.